welcome back to JamesSpot Tutorials. Today we will be covering how to create a group. Before we get into the tutorial, we should cover what a group actually is and how they work on your JamesSpot platform. Groups are the basis of your platform. Everyone on your platform is associated with a group. All posts made, all pages created, etc. have to belong to a group to be accessible. Let's start by clicking the group list. Here you will see all of the groups you have access to on your platform. Unless you are an administrator, you can only see public groups and groups you are a member of. On this page, you will notice a button that says Create a Group. When you click it, a form will open. This is the information you are going to fill out to create your group. Start by naming the group. For the sake of example, I will be naming this group Test. Make sure your group name is fitting for its purpose. Now you will write a small description for the group and the purpose it serves. Now you will set the visibility or privacy of the group. There are three options. Public is self-explanatory and it just means every user on your platform can access the group. Moderate is a group that people can see exists but have to apply to be in. And private is a group that people cannot see unless they are members, which means they were invited. The editorial is where you can write rules and regulations for the group. This step is the only optional step in the creation of the group. The last step is to declare a language for the group. While each individual user is allowed to have their own language setting for their profile, the group itself has its own separate language setting. Once you're done, press the Create a Group button and it will take you to step 2. Here you can add a group photo and a banner to customize it a little bit. This page also shows you the governance settings, which you are welcome to leave as is or change to your needs. The applications and blocks area is where you can save apps or other features that your group uses frequently for easy access. You can change the order that the blocks are in as well as add new ones. The Options and Settings tabs concerns settings that control the organization of content and alerts for the group and the activity in it. At the bottom of the page, you have the option to archive the group, which essentially retires it and removes it from user access. The other option is to click back to the group, and that just saves the settings and opens to the group. Like I mentioned before, all content that is posted to your platform is posted to a group. To create content for a group, title your post, add the text you need to, attach any files if necessary, and click Publish. Group stream can be seen both on the homepage of the user and the group page. The menu on the left side of the group page will allow you access to the apps that you had saved to your group. For example, if I were to click Calendar, the Calendar app would be opened. If you have the Bookmarks app installed on your platform, you can bookmark a group page for easy and quick access. If you do not have this app but it sounds like it could be useful for your organization, please contact a member of our team to discuss adding it to your platform. Anyway, that's all we have for you today. We hope this was helpful and that you now have a better understanding of how to use your JamesSpot platform.